Hey everyone, in this video I take you with me on a journey to Purwokerto Jawa Tengah region. So let's pack our bags and go. With the car we drove to Baturadan, a small village surrounded by nature, beautiful panoramic views and lots of waterfalls, which I will show you in this video. During my time here I rented a cozy little cabin on a small hill. The owners did everything to make the guests have a beautiful and pleasant stay. We were provided with great food, with evening fires as well as karaoke nights. Just a few minutes walk from the accommodation, we visited the Purwokerto, a little park with some beautiful waterfalls. Over here you find a cliff jumping spot with several platforms to jump from. At this location we also visited a secret waterfall which has been closed recently due to the difficult access to it. The Lagi or rainbow waterfall was very beautiful to look at, and if you visit this place in the morning, a rainbow will shine above it. Alright guys, we made it to the waterfall. First encounter here. Look at this view. This one might look tiny on the GoPro, but it's at least 20 meters, maybe 25, and it's gorgeous. So yeah, this is a really like secret space. As you can see, there's no trail. We're stepping on some stones here, which we can just find. Wow. So yeah, this is it. You can see one waterfall here to front of me, to the right, and one over there. The next stop on our waterfall captures was the Gomblang waterfall, one of the biggest waterfalls in central Java. To be honest, I was really lucky to have this place almost all for my own, as my visit was still during the pandemic and only a few people were traveling. Our guide Slamit took us to the third and last waterfall location, which is famous for its beautiful hard platform to take pictures from. This waterfall is called Yenggala Waterfall and around of it, it's a beautiful area with pools to bath in, trails to walk around and enjoying your time.
So now we are here visiting the Jangala waterfall, just behind of us. Famous also for this arch where we are standing on, and also the surrounding area again is really nice. Everything is clean and the plants are in order. It's like a beautiful garden for relaxation and invitation. I guess in summer or in the main season this place must be really full. And again, we got it for ourselves. We are the only ones here, and it's pretty astonishing to see it, so I'm very happy to be here.
I really like this area of Indonesia, with less busy roads, nice people, and as always, lots of things to see and visit. I hope to be back here someday. And that's the end of the video. I see you all in the next one, and goodbye.